Real estate has been greatly affected by many outside factors in 2020, and in the Valley, we're seeing some interesting effects on the market. This is David Simkins with Realty Executives with your monthly market update. In the last month, we have seen over 35% of all sales close over asking price. That's nearly double the number from last year at the same time. The biggest impact can be seen in the $200,000 to $400,000 range. This hot market is driving up prices very quickly, and the market continues to strengthen to favor sellers. We typically see an increase in active listings in September, and we were hoping it would take some of the pressure off the market. And though, since July, new listings are up almost 10% from last year at the same time, the number of active listings is barely moving. Demand is high, pulling these new listings off the market nearly as quickly as they come on. Half of all homes listed in the last 4 weeks have gone under contract in 7 days or less. It's still tough out there for buyers. If you know someone thinking about selling, please contact us. We need more properties to sell to match the current demand. One interesting trend we're seeing is people moving away from more population-dense areas. The Arizona Regional MLS, which serves the greater Phoenix metropolitan areas, has always allowed local agents to list properties outside of the Valley. In August of this year, there were 547 closings outside the metropolitan area. That's up 110% over last August. July was up an astounding 129%, and June 105%. Prior to coronavirus, we saw less than 25% increases year over year. Lastly, builders may finally be ready to help ease the need for new construction. Single-family home permit counts for Maricopa and Pinal counties in July was 3,003. This is the first time we have seen permits over 3,000 for a single month since March 2007. It's also an increase of nearly 20% from June and 31% over last July. And building permit interest is not confined to the single-family market. Multifamily permits have also been skyrocketing. In the last 2 reported months, new building permits were issued for nearly 3,500 multifamily units. Through July, we are at over 9,000 units. So with 5 months still to go, we have already exceeded the full year totals for 14 of the last 18 years. What this means to you is that as our market continues to change and it continues to evolve, it's more important than ever to work with a trusted advisor. Someone like myself who stays on top of trends in the market so you have an advantage when you're buying or selling a property. I'm David Simkins with Realty Executives, and I'm your residential real estate answer.